Hello my people, how na dey? Today we wan solve one question wey dey for board, and the question make we look wetin dey talk. The question said, considering the sequence 2, 4, 18, 54, 162, the come talk say if the 48th term is A and the 51st, that is 61 term is B, what is the value of B divided by A? Now understand the question back. If you reach question, you don't understand that, read them again. Make you understand that well. But I don't understand what they try talk. Now I tell you what they try talk here. All this number they here, me and you know say na sequence and they be. Let me just say sequence. Now if na sequence be this, the question now be say, we could bring out all the things we say we need to use solve this thing before we can go solve the question. First you will say solution. For this question, our first term for this sequence, we will know what they call first term. Now be these two we they start here. Now they call first term. You can't come say first term. First term. You can't put answer with it. 2. You understand that? After you don't put that 2 as first term, what do you call your common ratio? Your common ratio, to get common ratio, salary is down here. You go divide the one with for back. The other divide the one sitting for front. Now so you go divide them. But now only one number you won't get as a ratio. So if you say 6 divided by 2, you don't do. So 6 divided by 2, see here. What you go give us? 3. As a standard is now our common ratio for this question at 3. When I get now. Now we don't get this ones. I think that the major things we need with this for this question. Don't forget, then talk say now B 9 go divide A. No be A go divide B. Take note of all those kind of small. You know when I give kind of question, all those kind of small things that will take note of one because now there 9 mistake fit use happen. Now since they say B divided by A, you can't come say okay, we'll use our normal formula where they define GP. But then I always tell people say if you want to know what that question at GP or you know say here now they don't talk about GP or AP. If now for AP now, if they subtract and backward, you will get one similar answer. But if now GP, if we divide them backward, now divide will divide, you will still get the same answer. Hence now that divide and minus you will differentiate AP and GP mostly. We don't know it's not GP now. Move on. The formula now, can say UN equals to AI minus 1. Now the formula be this. Now if you can't check, they said if 68 term is A, if 68 term is A, now we say the answer for 68 term, the n term here, the answer for this n term here, now A, now the answer be that. Is, here the word is, now the answer be that. This one, and 51st term is B. The answer for 51st term now B. And come look here, there's we'll find the value of B divided by A. I know say if you want to divide something now, you go better make you use the one way B pass divide based on how the question tell you now. Now B now go divide it. So you go, for me I go advise you make you start from the B so that the thing will go well. Now we will start from B now. Now we don't know say 51st term of B, 51st term of B. They say the answer now B. 51st term now B. So you can't come here now, can't put B here. Equal to, you know, so they say the answer. The answer, that was why you see I put equal to. You get that now. Now I can't say A. What will be A? A now waiting 2. First term. Now be first term. R now waiting. Now be 3. You understand that? So if you just come and put times 3 raised to the power of n, you know say n here. That will be n of B. The n of B now 51. You can say 51 minus 1. You get now? Now understand that? Then we'll go do the one for A. Now the one for A now, we'll do this. We'll just use the same thing. No need to write again. we'll just say for A. Now say A equal to first term of A. Now wait. Now see the same person that we use. We will use what? 2 times. What will be the ratio? By the same ratio that we'll use. But the difference between at the end, what will be the end of A? See the A. We say the 48th term is A. So the 48th term is A, and the 48 here now will become our end here. You understand, ba? So now we can work them out. We'll work the B out first. The B, therefore B equal to 2 times 3. If you subtract this one here, what will give us? It will give us 50. Now it will give us 50, yes. If you subtract 51 by minus 1, we give you 50. Now for the A, if you subtract 41 minus this one, it will give you what? 20. It will give us 47. Now don't see number. Now we don't bring her out like this. Now, the next thing we will do now is say the same we could divide her. The same will divide B divided by A, B divided by A. But before we go divide her, I want to remind now one rule for exponents rule. I made now exponent rule. Exponential rule. Now, one of the rules we did for this exponential is that as an exponential rule. The rule we say if you get divide now, let's say m divided by n, for example now. Let's say m divided by m divided by n, like this. For normal, it will become weighty. No, let's say we get, use another figure. Let's say we get m times 1 all over m. Let's say m times m raised to power, sorry, use m raised to power 5 or m raised to power 4, for example now. M raised to power 4. So for the rule, it states here, on how this one are divide, you understand me now? We can't change this divide to minus if it they come up. And the rule be that it means say like this now. Since they get the same base, they can become honorary base like this of n. This is not the same. This 5 will come day up as the power. You come minus 4. You understand? So you will come give it to m raised to power of what? 1. The same thing as n. You understand? This one are just the rules. So this one I just the right for them. If you understand how we use apply for this one now. So since we don't understand this one now, see what we can do. We can go back to our question. The same we divide B divided by A. Since I say B divided by A, we can go back now and say B equal to 2 times 3, which is 50. Now we divide by 2 times 3, which will get here now 47. As it stands like this now, look for A here. As it stands like this now, if we want multiply now, now not say this one they get power, this one get power, this one get power, the two get power, but this one no get power, it just stand on its own. As it be like that now, you will just cancel out this one, come out. As don't cancel and come out, now this one's remain. As it means this one remain, now you can't remind us of this rule. You get me now? You say this one now divided, they divide themselves, and this base now the same. And I get just like this rule ready for you. This is exponential rule. We can see B over A equal to pick one of this, which is going to be what? 3. You can say 50. Based on the division, you can become with minus 20, 43, 47. If you subtract them from each other now, you can get B over A equals to ordinary 3. Then what you can do, if you subtract them, yeah, you know, say now 3 you will get. You understand? I still say not too hard. Just the rules, just dey follow the rules. You break the rules, you will make mistake. Therefore, B over A equal to wetin? 27. You don't finish. You don't finish now. You don't finish. Now I tell you something about this, all these kind of questions. The thing we just did for this kind of question is saying, don't be say it too hard. It's not too hard. The rules, when they make we say some kind question where you go see, you go be like say the find are difficult to solve. Now the rules. Once you understand the rules, right? Just apply them gradually. For you know you go get them. You know hard now. You know how it just they say make you just open eye, sit down, look at it, go use apply the rules. If you don't get them, you know hard. That's fine. If you like the video that you have just watched, well, don't forget to like, to share, and to, of course, make now they subscribe. I really love you. I remember my boss said, Mr. T. I'll see you now for my next video. But don't forget to make una always like, oh.